Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Legal Bee channel. I am Indira, and I have been receiving a lot of queries on the eligibility criteria on our last LIC 2025 notification. So I think a lot of people are facing problems, or issues or doubts in regards to the eligibility criteria. So today I will be walking you through this criteria which is required for an assistant administrative legal officer, uh, for LIC, that LIC has announced on the 16th of August 2025. So our first criteria or our first factor that is to be taken into account is that of age. So a candidate is required to be of 21 to 32 years of age. That is, you must be born between 2nd August 1993 to 1st August 2004, inclusive of both these dates, of course. Apart from this, our second factor is your academic qualifications. You are required to have an LLB degree from any recognized college or university. If you are from the general category, then with 50% of marks. If you are from SC, ST, or PWBD background, then with 45% in your LLB degree. Apart from this academic qualification, you require some work experience as well, which includes your enrollment with the Bar Council as an advocate. And post this enrollment, 2 years of work experience as an advocate or as a law officer in the legal department of any bank, financial institution, statutory corporation, company, or any legal department of state or central government. Remember, this 2 years of experience is counted post your enrollment with the Bar Council. That means after you have enrolled yourself with the Bar Council as an advocate. Any experience prior to such enrollment won't be counted towards this 2 years period. I hope this video has made you clear. If you have any more doubts, there is going to be a free workshop on 20th of August. That is on Wednesday at 8 p.m. with me, where you can ask every legal doubt that you might have in regards to this examination, and I will cater to that. And I hope to see you all there. Apart from this, we are also offering our LIC course, which helps you prepare 50% faster. You will get access to video lessons, study notes, assignment based classes, live doubts, as well as a lot of practice sessions, which are concept check questions, your chapter tests, your section tests, your PYPs, your mock tests, um, for each and every such law or act that is a part of your syllabus. So, if you have not checked out our portal, I request you to do so, and I shall see you in the next video. Cheers.